Next topic is of that is drug and alcohol abuse. Nowadays, the youth, mainly youth, that is due to improper guidance, due to not taking proper education, that move in the different directions. Sometimes they are due to mental stress or any other reasons, they're taking the different types of drugs and alcohols. They destroy the life, destroy the our new young ones, these drugs and alcohols. Different types of drugs obtained from the different plants, especially that is of flowering plants, and some drugs are obtained from the fungi, just like opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloids. These are obtained from the flowering plants, and some drugs that obtained from the fungi also. Majority of drugs mainly obtained from flowering plants. First types of that is of opioids. Opioids mainly obtained from the poppy plants. Poppy means that is opium plants, and its scientific name is of Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum, it is the scientific name of the poppy plants, from which different drugs, that is opioids and that is heroin and morphine is obtained from the poppy plants, that is of Papaver somniferum. Heroin, which is normally known as smack, nowadays normally known as smack, it is chemically acetyl morphine, chemically acetyl morphine, that is smack or heroin is also known as acetyl morphine. It is white, odorless, crystalline powder that may be injected through snorting or injection. It may be through snorting or injection. This opioids bind with the central nervous system, CNS, central nervous system, and gastrointestinal tract. Both the receiving organs are receptor of this opioids present in our body, especially in the central nervous system, and some receptor present in the gastrointestinal tract. In digestive system में भी receptor होते हैं, वहाँ से ये सारी information body को भेजते हैं. Normally these are the these opioids is of sedative which decrease the pain, sedative, analgesic, and narcotics. They provide to their person who are in surgery, but जिस person की surgery हो चुकी है उनको normally it is utilized as a medicine, but इसके दूसरे uses जिसको misuse कर सकते हैं वो बहुत होते हैं. But the different types of medicine formed from the opioids, that is of due to it is of sedative, narcotics, and analgesic properties, and its receptor is present in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. So heroin and smack, and another is of morphine is also known as its it is normally obtained from the latex of poppy plant. पेपावर सोमनिफेरम या ओपियम प्लांट के लेटेक्स से ये ऑब्टेन होता है. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप दैट इज ऑफ कैनाबिनॉइड्स. Cannabinoids, it is obtained from Cannabinus sativa. Cannabinus sativa. Normally it is known as भांग, जो अपन नॉर्मल भाषा में इसको नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में हिंदी लैंग्वेज को भांग कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स रिसेप्टर इज प्रेजेंट इन ब्रेन. द कैनाबिनॉइड्स रिसेप्टर present in the especially brain, that is with the CNS, central nervous system, and these cannabinoids is obtained from flower, leaves, flower bud, फ्लावर से, लीव से और फ्लावर बर्ड से इनको ऑब्टेन किया जा सकता है, ये निकलते हैं. और इसके मार्केट में बहुत सारी चीजें प्रेजेंट है, जस्ट लाइक मारिजुआना, गांजा, हशीश, चरस. These are the different form or different combination of cannabinoids, marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. These are the, and these are intake by the inhalation. It is intake लिया जाता है इसको inhalation, और इसको सूंघ के भी लिया जा सकता है, और बाय टेकिंग थ्रू माउथ orally. It is also taken through the orally और इंजेक्शन, दोनों तरीके से इसको लिया जा सकता है. इसके फ्यूम्स भी लिए जा सकते हैं और इसको orally ले सकते हैं. एंड देयर रिसेप्टर, इट इज बाइंड विद द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, ब्रेन, एंड इट इज अगेन सेडेटिव. इट्स इफेक्ट इज ऑफ सेडेटिव मेनली. Coca is another alkaloid. Coca, which is normally known as cocaine. Cocaine is obtained from Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca से ये obtained होता है. And it is the native plant of South Africa. Erythroxylum coca, that is the native plant of South Africa. It can be taken as a snorted. It can be taken as a snorted, and its binders present with the central nervous system. It will be bind with the coca, bind with the central nervous system and cause euphoria. It is caused euphoria. Euphoria means that person जिसमें जो पर्सन होता है, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन विच इंटेक द कोका, वो सुखी अनुभूति करता है. इसको अपन कह सकते हैं इजी गोइंग महसूस होता है, यूफोरिया. इट ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड एनर्जी, एनर्जी ऑल्सो increased by the coca plants. And another symptoms, that is of hallucinations. Hallucinations means वो भूल जाता है, उसका दिमाग प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं करता है, मति भ्रम करना जैसे हो जाती है. इनको लेने से यूफोरिया, हेलुसिनेशंस के टाइप के सिम्टम्स दिखाई देते हैं. और normally these medicine utilized by the particular person who goes in surgery. Other types of alkaloids is also obtained from some plants, just like this hallucinations properties is also present in Datura, Atropa belladonna. These hallucinations types of properties also present in the Datura and Atropa belladonna. These cannabinoids also used by sports person to increase their efficiency. These are also used by the sports person increase by and for the increasing of their efficiency nowadays. Some other drugs is also utilized as a sedative, analgesic, that is barbiturates, barbiturates, benzodiazepine, benzodiazepine. It is other types of drugs which is utilized for LSD, lysergic acid. These are the other medicines utilized by the for surgery and which is used as painkiller, sedative also. For the cough of mental illness also, these medicines also help in the cough of mental illness, insomnia, mental illness or insomnia के लिए medicines utilized here, which is also morphine is the more important medicines which is sedative and painkiller. In India, since before many years, tobacco is utilized. Tobacco before 400 years it is utilized in India. It is obtained from Nicotiana tobacco. Nicotiana tobacco plants, and it contains alkaloid that is nicotine. Nicotine alkaloids. It is utilized by snorting, by chewing, by inhaling. अलग बहुत सारे तरीके से इसको यूटिलाइज किया जा सकता है और इसके बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट है. इससे थ्रोट कैंसर हो सकता है, माउथ कैंसर हो सकता है, लंग कैंसर हो सकता है, अल्सर हो सकता है, इससे हार्ट डिजीज, कोरोनरी हार्ट डिजीज हो सकती है, इससे यूरिनोजेनाइटल कैंसर हो सकता है. बट it also increase the efficiency of the particular person by the binding with adrenaline glands. It binds with the adrenaline glands, which adrenal glands which secrete increasing of adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone and noradrenaline hormone. These two hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline hormones, increase rate of respiration, increase blood circulation, and increase heartbeat also, due to which a slight efficiency it increase. That's so, but not actually not is there. By the inhaling of nicotina or tobacco, the person affected from the different types of disease, as I told you, just like cancer, throat cancer, lung cancer, mouth cancer, heart disease also, or that is stomach, also affect the gastrointestinal tract when we intake with the help of chewing or through the mouth. That time our gastrointestinal tract is also affected from the nicotiana. With the help of proper education and proper guidance, we educate the persons to avoid these different types of medicines, these different types of alkaloids, because they are very harmful to the human beings.